Top 5 massage guns currently on the market. Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video of SpaTherapy. Today's topic is very fascinating and interesting, but before we start onto it, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and enabled notifications with the bell icon so you can receive all latest updates about SpaTherapy. Massage guns utilize the power of massage treatment to control your body's delicate tissue. They're basically sponsored by the very broad logical examination that supports need treatment as the ideal instrument for sore muscles after an exercise. If you're looking for the best massage guns you can choose, here's the list of top 5 best massage guns in market, which are super amazing for your needs. Number 1. HERABODY Theragun Pro. The 4th era Theragun Pro is HERABODY's top-level, proficient evaluation instrument for cutting-edge massage treatment and profound muscle treatment and recuperation. This most recent model is controlled by an interestingly projected QX150 engine with quiet force technology ready to convey up to 60 pounds of no slowdown power, while as yet creating 55% less clamor than the past age, but comparable to a standard rotating brush. With a plentiful 16mm, the Pro is aligned to venture 60% more profound into the muscle at 40 times each second than a normal electronic massage gun, and it currently offers double battery life, 5 hours consolidated, of the past Pro model, with 2 ceaselessly swappable outer batteries. Alongside every one of the new enhancements, the most recent Theragun Pro keeps on offering competitors the solid presentation, usability, and adaptability that has made the name an industry chief. Number 2. Hypervolt. With 30% more force than the first, the Hypervolt Plus is the most impressive percussion gadget you can discover. Upheld by a 90-watt brushless engine and a 24-volt lithium particle battery, the Hypervolt Plus conveys 3 velocities of enduring and amazing percussion. The Hypervolt Plus highlights Hyperice's pressure sensor technology with 3 levels, giving you a computerized sign of how much pressing factor you're applying. But here's something you need to take care of. Hyperice is one of the most replicated products of the market, and you can see a number of slight variations at cheaper costs. However, fake Hyperice items are terrible quality and don't give the very presentation that makes Hyperice stand apart from other hardware. To ensure that you purchase true Hyperice innovation, not fakes, shop with one of Hyperice's authorized retailers. Number 3. Lifepro Sonic LX Professional. The Sonic XL muscle massage gun is worked as a strong apparatus for proficient mentors, specialists, and bone and joint specialists, and for those hoping to get comparable outcomes at home. This percussion massage gun is outfitted with an industry-driving 2000 mAh engine for a quick pressure help rub and 12mm of amps for a strongly amazing profound tissue back rub, and percussion speeds that range from 1,800 as far as possible up to an exceptional 3,400 RPMs. This profound tissue massage gun incorporates all you require to treat each kind of torment, injury, or muscle bunch. Pick the speed that best suits your customer's necessities, from a low pressure factor 15 Hz entirely through an incredible 55 Hz. This Christmas, give the endowment of thoughtful relaxing and well-being for him or for her. Each time they'll utilize their Sonic LX Professional Percussion Massage Gun, they'll consider you. After an exercise, muscles normally recuperate, however, gradually. Our handheld electronic massage gun exceptional vibrations awaken muscles all through the body, setting off myofascial discharge. The Sonic XL's muscle weapon battery runs for as long as 4 hours on a solitary charge, so you can return to back on meetings ceaselessly. Number 4. Achedaway Massage Gun. Meet the next generation of Achedaway percussion massage gun. This is Achedaway Pro. Deeper, powerful, and still quiet. Feel the distinction with Achedaway Pro Massage Therapy. Long battery life, 3,200 mAh lithium battery, not simply battery powered, it's also removable. Speed adjustable, customize on your need with 5 experimentally aligned paces. Multi-work massage attachments. 1. Concentrated soft head for any place you have to utilize a genuine thumb. 2. Aluminum head for any pieces of the body. 3. Shot head for more profound tissue and trigger point. 4. Fork head for neck and spine. Number 5. Sportneer Elite D9. This is an amazing, reasonable back massage gun that accompanies 6 diverse back rub heads to focus on all spaces of the body and conveys best-in-class treatment at an extraordinary expense. I'd prescribe this back rub weapon to anyone searching for an excellent choice at an extraordinary worth. It's furnished with an amazing brushless engine and flaunts an RPM up to 3,200 and a plentifulness of 11 millimeters, giving the assigned muscle bunch profound, entering alleviation. It's created from premium materials, is solid, and work to last. It includes a calm activity and battery-powered battery so you can take and utilize it any place. It accompanies 6 elective heads to target various focuses and muscle bunches for full body inclusion. It works at 6 customizable degrees of power, so you can handle anything from obstinate bunches to regular touchiness. So guys, that's it for the list. We have added links to all the products in the descriptions, so make sure you check out all the items and buy one. Let us know which massage gun you're using or going to buy, and tell us your views about your set in the comments section. Thank you for watching!